Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will find out the derivatives. Now first of all, the derivative is denoted by d over dx. The derivative of any constant is equal to 0. For example, the derivative of 2 is equal to 0, 3 is equal to 0, minus 5 is equal to 0. The derivative of pi is also equal to 0 because pi is also the constant. Pi is equal to 22 divided by 7, so the derivative of pi will also be equal to 0. Now here we will learn that how to find out the derivative of a variable raised to the constant. Now this is the general form of this. Derivative of x power n will be equal to the constant. N shows the constant will be multiplied with the variable, so n multiplied by x, and in the end we will subtract -1 to that power. So here in this case, n multiplied by x power n minus 1. The derivative of x will be equal to, x has no any power, it means x power 1, so power 1 will be multiplied with x and 1 minus 1. So 1 multiplied by x power 1 minus 1. We know that 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so x power 0 is equal to 1, so the derivative of x will be equal to 1. In short, we can say that we will subtract -1, we will bring that power over here, so 2x, and we will reduce -1 on the power side, and the derivative of x power 4 will be equal to 4 into variable x, 4 minus 1 in the power, so 4x power 4 minus 1, so the derivative of x power 4 will be 4x cube. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.